Morning peeps. So we've got, I think there's just a bit less than 10 ton there, and we've got the trailer which I'm going to hook up now to the back of the van, and we're going to fill. I'll show you as we go along. We're going to go down because we've had a 10 ton delivered here, we've had 10 ton delivered down the track. I'll show you what we've been doing. You can see a bit underneath. We've got to do a bit more up here yet. This isn't too bad. We went down last week and we slipped, so that's the idea. So give me fun. I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so you can see where we've done it, and we've got a mound here. We've got to get over this mound. Now we drove over it last night. I'm sure I caught my bottom on it. Not my bottom, but so I'm going to try and get. See it? I know we're all right. Now I'm going to make sure I got the trailer just on it. Just go and check. All right. Okay. Now it's raining again. So you can see what I mean by the mound. So this was, well, I think it was over 10 ton here, but I need some of this hardcore stuff to go down first on top. There we go. Oh, weather. Okay. All right, just give us a second. Well, we're going to start filling the trailer up anyway. There you go. I'll tell you what, it's hard work, isn't it? Boys, if you want these, you need one of these. If you want these, use one of these. That's what we're going to do. We're going to fill the trailer to the top. Do we need the big stuff. We need the big stuff to go down first, because then we can drive over it and tread it in, and then the finer stuff goes on top to fill it in. So yeah. So when you've done all that, what you'll end up with is calluses on your hands the size of Thanos's testolonos. That's it, we're going to call it quits for today. We've been here since 12:30. It's now 6 o'clock, I think, something like that. Just me and the wife. So we've done 3, could be 4 actually, full to the top trailer loads. So we've done all this track up there to the mound, to the big trees, and then I'll show you on the way home. There we go. We've been driving up and down to squash it down, especially in my beast of a vehicle. She's beautiful. I love my van. I love this van. I put some really big chunky tyres on, and so it's going to take a little bit of compacting all over the shop. I'm just going to wait for Jane at the top here, and then this is where we've done. So we've got part of here, because this is level here. We thought we'd do the made bits where we got stuck on first. So the level bits we haven't touched yet. So there's another level bit coming up here, look. If you can just see that there, those two tracks there. And then right ahead, that's when we started again. Hey, just checking on the, we call it the orchard. It's a bit overgrown. I don't know if they're ready yet. I don't think they're quite ready just yet. But yeah, I think this is the year that this year and next year we're gonna start being a little bit more productive. Our veggie patch used to be there somewhere. Is it there? This is we had some plums, but they haven't come through, and some. Pear. That's a pear, is it?
That's supposed to be Granny Smith. See that plum over there?
Oh right, yeah. So we need to take this back and sort it out.
I don't know where that's plum, to be honest. There were some over there as well.
And there we go. He's not looking too good. That one there's a plum as well. That's this one here. So we got one there. So what we need to, we want to plant some hazelnuts, and my neighbours give me some cob nuts. And if anybody's got any idea, how the hell do you plant a cob nut tree? Do you just put the cob nuts in the ground, or do you have to cultivate them in tubs?
You have to hire a squirrel.
Okay, right, so if you look, we've only filled in where the main dips were, where we span and got stuck. We have got more to do. I will show you when we get to the top. Okay, so you can see we're just taking our time, and this will track it in. We've done all this. A little bit bumpy, but it will level out. And then yeah, so we couldn't get down here with a full load. So what we had 10 ton, probably more than 10 ton, wasn't it, Jane? Probably about 12 ton, and I'll show you that now. Dropped. You'll see on the road. We'll go over a little bit of a hump. Okay, so that we reckon was about 12 ton. So me and Jane, I think we shifted about 6 ton today, didn't we? Me and you. Five ton.
Big.
Yeah, 3. So we're going to go drive over that. You'll see it's a bit of a hump. A bit better than what it was, because we couldn't get over before. There we go. And then at the top here, when we get up there, please bear with me. This is our neighbours, and he very, very graciously let us drop another 10 ton there. Now we've shifted a few barrel loads of that, but we still think there's about 6 ton left, so that's to be shifted over the weekend. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be fantastic, and we will definitely catch you in the next one once my calluses on top of my calluses have repaired. Bye.